Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to add a transaction in QuickBooks Online step by step. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, this guide will make recording and sending invoices a breeze. By the end, you'll feel confident handling transactions like a pro. So let's dive in. Access QuickBooks Online first. Open your browser and go to the QuickBooks website. Click sign in at the top right and enter your email and password. If you've forgotten your login info, follow the recovery steps. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your central hub for managing everything. Navigate to customers next. From the dashboard, click customers and leads, then customers. This opens your full customer list, letting you see who you're invoicing and ensuring each transaction is accurately linked. Select a customer, click on the profile of the customer you want to invoice. This step is crucial. It ensures the invoice is connected to the right client, keeping your records clean and organized. Create a new transaction. Now, hit New Transaction and select Invoice. This opens a fresh invoice template ready to be filled. Fill in invoice details. Add the product or service, quantity, and rate. Don't forget any discounts if applicable. QuickBooks automatically calculates the total for you, so there's no guesswork. Save and send. Finally, review your invoice, make sure everything looks perfect, then click Save and Send. QuickBooks stores the transaction and emails the invoice to your customer instantly, and that's it. Your transaction is successfully recorded, and there you have it. A simple step-by-step way to add transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more QuickBooks hacks in 2025. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.